Suffocating Lawn Thatch, Sun Joe 24V-X2-DTS15 Cordless Renovation and Turf Results. Standing across your lawn on a sunny Saturday, you notice thick yellow patches quietly choking fresh green shoots. Last spring, my neighbor spent entire weekends dragging a heavy steel rake across dense turf, yet stubborn dead moss remained. The exhausting effort felt completely pointless. Have you ever experienced that quiet frustration while trying to revive your own tired yard? Beneath that dense barrier, choking layers of dead roots prevent vital water from penetrating the soil. Sore shoulders and blistered hands quickly turn weekend relaxation into physical strain. A homeowner recently admitted abandoning his yard renovation entirely after hours of fruitless manual labor. Real relief is possible. A smarter mechanical method restores control before another wasted season quietly passes. Don't just pick any cordless dethatcher. Make sure it has interchangeable dual cylinders with a brushless motor so you never experience suffocated turf and tangled extension cords again. The Sun Joe 24V X2-DTS15 represents that exact practical breakthrough. Powered by dual 24-volt batteries providing 48 volts of reliable max power, its 600-watt brushless motor drives 24 spring steel tines across a wide 14.2-inch path to lift buried thatch effortlessly. A busy project manager facing a tight weekend deadline before hosting an important family gathering smoothly refreshed his entire yellowing lawn in under 20 minutes, revitalizing tired soil without exhaustion. The immediate transformation felt remarkably crisp. 5 adjustable depth positions let you gently comb surface debris or quickly engage 7 durable steel slicing blades that cut compacted ground for superior seedbed aeration. A detachable 10.6-gallon collection bag captures loosened moss cleanly, keeping your walkways tidy while eliminating messy raking chores. Experienced homeowners also discover that regular shallow passes create richer root growth season after season. But how does this versatile setup perform over extended long-term ownership? Over months of regular seasonal lawn care, maintaining thick green grass shifts from an agonizing weekend chore into a predictable, highly rewarding routine. Independent turf analysts emphasize that the 600-watt brushless motor provides continuous torque, rivaling traditional corded machines without exhaust fumes, hazardous cables, or complicated maintenance. Meanwhile, an everyday homeowner with mature shade trees noted that pulling up dense buried moss saved him over an hour during spring prep, while visibly reviving tired turf in just one afternoon. Many people assume cordless tools lack the raw muscle needed for dense thatch, yet 48 volts of dual battery delivery consistently proves otherwise. If you manage an expansive residential property, the 20-minute battery runtime might seem limited at first glance, but the included rapid dual-port charger and modular Ion Max battery ecosystem make treating larger yards in steady, organized sections completely painless. Real durability creates lasting confidence. As more suburban homeowners and lawn care enthusiasts adopt this cordless platform for dependable turf renovation, the results speak through healthier neighborhood lawns year after year. See why so many professionals continue relying on it across every growing cycle. Have you noticed thick thatch quietly building up along your own lawn edges this season? Investing in your lawn's health is a smart step toward lasting peace of mind, weekend freedom, and vibrant curb appeal. With growing adoption among homeowners seeking effortless seasonal maintenance, this versatile cordless tool makes lawn restoration simple and accessible. Results may vary depending on local soil conditions, yet consistent seasonal care always yields visible rewards. Take that easy step. Check the link in the description and pinned comment below to explore full details, compare package options, and experience the refreshing difference on your own lawn today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.